Hi there, welcome back to WT Botbuilder. Today I'm going to show you about WT Botbuilder Live Chat. Feature WT Botbuilder's Live Chat feature is a real-time communication tool that allows you to directly interact with your WhatsApp bot subscribers. This feature enables you to monitor conversations, get involved when necessary, and also manage your subscribers list all within a single interface by providing a direct line of communication with your customers. WT Botbuilder Live Chat helps you deliver exceptional customer support, gather valuable insights, and fosters stronger relationship with your customers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use all the functions of WT Botbuilder's Live Chat and give you practical examples. So, let's dive in. Click on the dashboard to enter WT Botbuilder's dashboard. On the left side of dashboard under the WhatsApp section, you can see the live chat option. You can use this live chat option to handle all the WhatsApp subscribers, so click on it. As you can see, the live chat page is divided into 3 sections. First one is subscribers list section. Second one is the chat window section. And finally, this one is the chat action section. So in the subscriber list section on the top, you can see a search bar along with 4 different buttons. You can search for any specific subscribers here by typing in their name. So I'm going to try Akash. As you can see, this is his ID. And this one is for adding new subscribers. So if you click on it, it will open a new window. Here you can type subscriber's name and his phone number and save it. Then a new subscriber will be added to your WhatsApp subscribers list. In this way, you can add multiple subscribers manually, and this button is for notification. You can turn on notification button if you want to get notified by a bell sound when you are working on something else. Up next, this is the refresh button. If you click on it, the whole page will refresh itself. So afterwards, as you can see, there's a few more buttons, each with the unique functionality. This first one is for private chats between agents and customers. It is called Mine. You can pick a specific agent for each customers, and only that agent can see their messages. Once you choose an agent, they can find the chat in their Mind option. Next, the All option shows you a list of all customers' conversation. Here you, as an admin, can see all the subscribers' list. Then there's an Unread option. Here you can see all the messages that are unread. So with the help of this button, you don't have to find which messages are read or unread. So you can just click on this button and you can find all the messages that are unread, so you can reply them one by one when you are free. This option is for archived conversations, and this one is for block customers list. If you find some customers are spreading rumors or spamming, then you can just block them, and you can find all of the lists in this option. And this one is for resolved customers list, when you are solving some customer's problem or query. And when you solved it, you can just resolve this conversation and you can find it later. Over in this option, how to resolve the customer's list, you can just, we will talk about this later in this video. You can set all these actions from chat window section, which we will go in a moment, so please wait. After that, there's this WhatsApp account selection option. If you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear containing all the WhatsApp accounts that you connected with WT Botbuilder. In my case, I have only one account connected, so you can see just one. But if you have multiple accounts connected to WT Botbuilder, you will see all of them over here, and you can choose that account for which account you want to provide live chat support. So that's all about it for subscriber list section. Now let's move on to the chat window section. Here in the chat window, you can also see a search bar on the top, but this search bar is for searching something in conversation with that specific customer. So if I search men in this search bar, and you can see all the messages that contain men, word are here showing up. So it's just basically a search. In the conversation beside the search bar, you can see 2 other options. This one is called Result from Session. Remember, we already talked about Resolve button in the subscriber list section. Yes, you can make any conversation with any customers resolved by clicking on this option. So this option is useful when you provide all live chat support and you resolve customer query. You can use this option to resolve conversations later. You can check them out from subscribers list section using that button beside the resolve option. There's also a block users option. If you find any subscribers doing spam, you can block him using this option. So if you block him clicking on this icon, and this customers will be blocked, and you can find this ID later on. Subscribers list section in the blocking option. This option is called follow-up reminder. It is basically a reminder feature, but it is very useful for customer support agents. Your customer support agents can use this feature to remind them of any important actions, questions, appointments, offers, or any other stuff. So click on this option. As you can see, there's already some default options ready over here, like 1 hour later, 6 hours later, 12 hours later, etc., etc. Outside this 12-hour or 24 hours later options. You can also select any date or time using this pick a date and time option. Now I'm going to choose 1 hour later option, and as you can see, my reminder has been set successfully. After that, you can also edit the time and date by clicking on this edit option. You can choose any date or time from this option. Like I'm going to choose this for September, and time will be 12. And you can also set M or PM and hit the apply button, and your new reminder will be set. Or you can also delete this reminder by simply clicking on this delete option. Now, WT Bot Builder also lets you translate any foreign customers' text by simply tapping on this tiny translate button here. If you click on it, you can see which language it is and you can answer your customers accordingly. You can also reply to any important text by this reply icon. You can just click on it and you can. It will be mentioned and you can type the message that you want to send. So I'm going to write and send, and you can see which agent send this message. This will not be visible to your customer, but you can see in the live chat which agents send this message. So if anyone make any mistake, you can find out later and you can take care of it. Up next, here's another awesome feature. Whenever you receive an audio from a customer, you can translate that audio into text by simply clicking on this option. This convert to text option, we call this audio transmission. This is very useful feature for live chat agents because whenever we're in rush, we don't have much time for listening to the audio. It will be beneficial for us if it's just text. So now with the help of BotSeller Live Chat, we can use this Convert Text button to convert any audio into text file. Up next, there's the Rewrite with AI button. All you have to do is just write a message and click on this button, and it will rewrite the same message appropriately, fixing any grammatical or misspelling issues so that your customers don't have the wrong idea of you. So I'm going to write something in this input box. So I'm going to write, "Can you please explain?" OK, and hit the button, and as you can see, it's fixed, so let's send it now. Next to that is Send Flow or Message Template button. You can send bot flows, message templates, and even WhatsApp flows by clicking on this button. So if you click on it, there's a lot of pre-made bot flows over here. And the bot flow section. There's also a message template and also WhatsApp close. Notice that there's a search bar that you can use to find any bot flows to send it. You can send these bot flows anytime in the conversation with your customers whenever it's necessary. You can just tap on it, tap on the same flow button, and send your necessary bot flows or message template. You can just send it in this chat window to the customer. Now this button is for canned responses. Canned responses are basically some basic message that you can create earlier so that you can send it any time to your customers. Like if some customers ask you, what's your address so you don't have to type it every time, whenever a customer asks you, you can just write down your address in the chat scan response setting, and you can send it whenever someone asks you that, so it can save you a lot of time because you don't have to retype those repeated messages over and over again. So that's how can response work. So if you click on it, you can see all the canned responses that you have already created. In my case, I haven't created any canned response yet, so I'm going to click on the Add New button and create a new canned response. So in the name section, I'm going to write my canned this one's name so that I can identify it later. So I'm going to write Agent Assign message, OK, and the message will be hello, and I'm going to give you this name, and our agent will contact you soon, OK, and add it, OK. It's successfully added and OK, and as you can see, this is the canned response message. So I can use it by clicking on this Use button and send it by Send It like this. It will be sent. And that's how can response work. You can just click on it, and you can also edit this button and also delete it by clicking on the Delete button. You can also search canned responses when you have a lot of canned response messages. Then you can just write down the first thing you remember, and your desired canned response will be over here. And this one is for sending some attachment like some photos or videos or any file that you want to send it to your customers. So you can use this button to send all of those. And up next, this one is for sending voice messages. You can also send your customers some voice message or anything if you want. So let's move on to the Chat Actions section. So in the Chat Actions section, the first thing you will see is this tiny button called Actions. If you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear where you can get the options to unsubscribe this customer. Or you can pause the bot reply of this customer while you are talking to your customer. And you can pause the bot reply so that any other bot doesn't get triggered by your conversation. So you can be careful by using this pause button reply. After that, you can also reset user input value from this button. After that, you can also assign any agent from this Assign Agent list. So if you click on it, you can see a lot of agents list over here. So you can choose anyone from here. I'm going to choose this one and hit the Save Changes button. You can just click on it and you will see a lot of levels list. You can choose any from here. You cannot add any level from over here, but you can add a level and create a new level from Subscribers Manager. So you can go there and make a level. Then you can select this from here. So that's about level. You can also set a message sequence from here for this customer. If you click on it, you can see that there's a bunch of sequence already over here. If you need a new one, then you can make sequence from bot reply section from here and then as. Then select the sequence that you want to use from here. After that, this one is for assigning a custom field. Click on it and choose the custom field you want to add. So that's focused on field. And you can also add a note about this conversation with this customer so that other agents can easily understand what's going on here and they can easily take over. So then comes this Save button. The Save button will save all the changes that you made. This countdown clock is called inside 24 hours window according to WhatsApp law. When a customer messages you, you have only 24 hours to reply back to him. And this clock is here to show you how much time you have left before you. You cannot reply him again. So this is just for reminder for your customer agents. Then this option shows that if this customer is subscribed or not unsubscribed, you can see that from here. And you can also check if the bot reply is on or not from here. So that's about it for WT Bot Builder's live chat. If you want to learn more about team collaboration in Brazil, check out this other video we have made, and link will be in the description also. So until next time, see you!